Do you know what a common functional group is? Common functional groups in organic chemistry are separated into three groups. Groups in groups in groups, like most classification systems. These three groups are hydrocarbons, compounds containing a carbon electronegative element bond, and compounds containing a carbon-oxygen group. But before we get into the types, let's discuss the importance of a common functional group. They can decide the shape and bonding of a molecule. They decide the physical properties, chemical reactivity, and nomenclature of the new molecules. Also, they determine the strength and kind of intermolecular forces. Hydrocarbons are as they sound. They are compounds where carbon and hydrogen are the only two elements present in the molecule. They can be divided into two groups. This is where the groups in groups come to play. The two subgroups of hydrocarbons are aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic actually comes from alephis, which is a Greek word that means fats. These are compounds that have traits that are similar to fats. The aliphatic hydrocarbons are broken into more groups: alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Aromatic means the molecule has a strong odor of some kind. Alkyl halides, alcohols, ethers, amines, thiols, and sulfides are some examples of compounds containing a carbon electronegative element bond. The electronegative heteroatom makes a polar bond. This actually makes the carbon electron deficient and makes the electronegative atom ready to react with other protons. Compounds containing a carbon-oxygen group, or a carbonyl group, include aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, amides, and acid chlorides. The carbonyl group contains a pi bond that is prone to cleave more easily than that of a singular carbon-oxygen bond. From hydrocarbons to carbon compounds, common functional groups shape the personality of a molecule.